This is misuse of a soldering iron. I totally get that. And well, this is also misuse of like a primer spray bottle, but I actually never used this one. The primer dried and like it was completely wasted before I ever got the chance to use it. But I still got the bottle and I have the cap, and it so happens that the cap fits perfectly into this vacuum device, and so I decided I make use of the cap using solder iron. And yes, I totally get this is misuse of a soldering iron, but it's my iron and not common use and such and like it. I have good excuse of doing this here today. It might not be the best use case, but nevertheless, half molten plastic is easy to drive some threads into. Well, here. As good as done. Quick.